Alright guys, what's up? My car just got here in Southern California. We're about to go pick it up at Walmart. My friend Jake coming, he's gonna drive me over. I am so hyped. After like 2 months of like being at school, or being on campus I guess, because I didn't have school right away. Only been in school for like 3 weeks. But so I was like looking at buying cars all over, and I wanted like a GMC Denali XL, and I was looking like 2004 to 2007. And eventually, I was going to study abroad next semester. So my dad was like, you know what, Tom, why don't you just ship my car out, and then you can have a car in California. And I was like, fuck yes, because then my bike's coming. I got my surfboard straps, snowboard, clips that go on top of the car. It's loony right now. I'm just too excited. And a ton of other stuff like Xbox. All this stuff's coming. My car's at Walmart. I am so excited. So excited, guys. We're here at my car, baby. Hello.
Big, huh?
What?
It's so big.
Yeah, I know. Isn't it sick?
Yeah.
Really, man?
Makes my car
Yeah, it's big. It's big. This one was the biggest.
Really?
Trip.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is it the biggest one you've ever shipped?
No. This trip to California.
Just
No,
here? Okay.
I shipped pickup trucks, 250, 350.
Oh shit! Yeah,
That one is
those.
bigger than this.
They didn't drive them. They didn't drive those ones.
No.
The guys that own them. That's strange. Well, I guess
I
yeah.
have an Escalade, but this one is bigger than the Escalade.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is?
Oh yeah. All right.
Okay. Alright, thank you very
Awesome.
much.
All right,
Tom.
thank you very much.
Take care.
Have a great day.
Good night.
Good night. Let's go. Yes, everything's in here.
Mallory Wynn at Rolling Stone has just
We are finally in the car.
fucking big.
Jake has heard about this car for fucking ever.
This thing is so
and we are
underwhelming.
finally in here.
So underwhelming. Go back to my car.
the number
Oh, this is weird, man. This is weird. I have dreamt about this day. Dreamt about it. I am so fucking hyped. Guys, you don't even understand how excited I am. Alright, we are going to kick Jake's ass. Oh my god. Woo! Yes, fuck these speed bumps. Finally in a car where it doesn't fucking matter. I don't need to stop for dick in this car. Ready? Boom. We're going. I mean, actually, I'm going slow, Dad. I would never speed in your car. So, like, technically, it's my dad's car, right? But he's giving it to me because I was gonna buy a car, and he's like, you know what? Screw that. We'll just have you ship out my car, and so I just paid to ship out his car. Oh, baby, listen to this kitty purr. I don't give a fuck. Oh, instead of you out with a half tank of gas, Dad, what is this? Alright, guys. We are going to go get my car washed. Alright guys, I don't know what's up with this, but it is only fucking 68 degrees today. That's cold. That's really cold. Alright, we're here at the car wash. Let's take a look. Oh, they take card. Ooh, fancy. Alright, so we have gotten the ratchet straps and the HDMI cord from Walmart. Now it is time to go back and get ready to go mountain biking. Alright, here with Alex. We're about to go mountain biking. Should be pretty sick. Alex has been here before. I've been here before, but not biking. So it's gonna be interesting. Got a bike rack. Alright, Alex's bike. It's in the car. Alex fucking ate it hard today. Hard as shit. Like, first run of the day, first jump. Jumps off, boom, nails, like, eats it. And his bike, and like, he's a good mountain biker. I'm not. But it's just funny. Just watching it happen. I fell too, but I felt like going down a really steep hill. That was like on an angle. And because it was on an angle, like, and it was steep, well, since it was steep, I pussied out. So it's because it was on an angle and it was steep, I hit the brakes because I was like moving pretty fast, which was a mistake, rookie mistake, and then my tire slid out. And I got caught in like a rivet or a like drainage hole or something, whatever you want, like, just like the center was gouged out because of water. Got my tire stuck in there, and I ate shit. But Alex really got fucked up. Look at this. Yeah, like a champion. He just, I wish I got it on video. He full out just, boom, face to the dirt. Hilarious. For me, not for him. Let's put those there. And now it's time to strap up the bike and head.